Mike and his invention for his
Go show
cab
him the
top.
cap, truck cap.
Truck cab that he takes off every time when he doesn't need it. And what is it?
Here's a winch, no, a hoist that I bought from Harbor Freight. It's way too much pounds. It's way more than I need, but you know,
yeah, it can handle his
it'll
weight.
handle.
So yeah.
I put 2 pulleys there. One to ensure that it doesn't pull off and then rip and then the whole thing fall down. And then I put another hook here to separate the weight. So when you're pulling up a 600-pound, no, a 200-pound cap, it cuts it in half to 100 pounds. So I'm 200, I'm 190, no, I'm 220 pounds. So half of that, 110.
Man, that thing was struggling, honey.
No, was it?
Yeah, it was.
It's just squealing, but
Did it smoke?
it's working good.
I think
And
I
all
saw a
I
little
did is
smoke,
bolt it
honey.
up there, and it's a lot cleaner. And there's the Jeep one. Show them the Jeep one.
Okay, there's the Jeep one. Oh.
And the
Yeah.
Jeep one, it's a very lighter pulley. It's only a 200-pound pulley. I think this is an 800-pound hoist.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Cool. See, look, the smoke. See the smoke? See? It's smoking. Yeah. See? See?